Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 23 plate. As you can see, I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we then approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space, especially given that we have 7 seats in place at the moment. You can, of course, fold all of the rear seats down to increase this space should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see, firstly, the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer as well. On the right-hand side, we have the rev counter, and within that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we, of course, are in park at the moment, and you can see in the centre, we have Google Maps satellite navigation. You can change the information that's displayed in that section should you wish to by using buttons on the steering wheel for various different bits of trip computer information. You can see the total miles for the car available on there as well. They are 33,616. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using just a second ago are over on this side. On the left-hand side, you'll find your cruise control for the car. And then into the centre, the main touchscreen. This button down the bottom here will take you back to this main menu at all times. You can see, starting at the top here, we have satellite navigation. So that's the nice clear colour display that you can have to accompany the display that I showed you just a moment ago. Again, pressing this button will close that down. You can open your audio menu where you've got your AM, FM, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream music wirelessly once you paired your phone up, of course. And you can see we also have Apple CarPlay available as well once you've connected your phone. A car status menu down the bottom, and at the very bottom, if you tap in the center here, we have our climate control menu. So you can determine where you'd like the air distributed, the fan speed of that air, the temperature for the passenger and the temperature for the driver, and then whether or not the air conditioning is on. So it's on at the moment, that's off, back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set down here, of course. Turn that off whenever you wish to. We have a proper heated front screen and a proper heated rear screen there as well. You can adjust, as I say, the fan speed or turn the whole system off from here should you wish to. We have a heated passenger seat with 3 different heat settings and a heated driver seat, again with 3 different heat settings, but we've also got a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat settings as well. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll see the full colour reversing camera available there. Below that, we have the main volume for your stereo and a few physical controls for the heated rear screen, for example. You can open this section up to reveal a 12-volt charging socket. We have some storage down the centre here, cup holders, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. This is where you start and stop the engine for the car. So we've just switched it off and back on again. You just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document showing it's a one-owner car from new. In this envelope, we have the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We then have the service book that shows the pre-delivery inspection and its first service, which was done in February of 2024. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.